Hello, we're going to solve inequalities by multiplying and dividing. So here's an inequality, 7 times x is greater than 42. We need to divide by 7 on both sides. That gives us x is greater than 6, and there's our graph, which is an open circle with an arrow to the right. Here our inequality starts as, I apologize, I showed this already. X divided by 4 is less than or equal to 12. So to undo that divide by, we need to multiply by 4 on both sides, which gives us x is less than or equal to 12 times 4, which is 48. Okay, graph is a closed circle with an arrow to the left. Here's another one, 3x greater than or equal to 18. We get x is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, here becomes one, not real issue, but one type of problem or inequality that we have to make special note of. So we have a negative 2x less than 10. We would solve this by dividing by a negative 2. But in order to get your correct answer, whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, you must switch your inequality sign. So we're going to divide by a negative 2. This sign is going to change from a less than to a greater than. Okay, so now x must be greater than negative 5, and there's our graph. So let me just show you why that is. If I chose a number, if I had not changed my sign, and I chose a number less than negative 5, less than, a real easy one is negative 10. If I had plugged negative 10 in here, I would get negative 2 times negative 10, which is a positive 20. And then we're saying that 20 is smaller than 10, which is not accurate. But now, since I divided by a negative and switched my sign, if I choose a number bigger here, easiest one would be 0. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. And then we ask ourselves, is 0 less than 10? And it is. So whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to switch that inequality sign to give you the correct answer. Okay, so here's another one. We have negative a half x is greater than or equal to 3. Disregard that negative 2. Okay, to solve this, we're going to have to multiply by negative 2 on both sides. Notice I switched my sign, so this becomes x less than or equal to negative 6 for the solution. And I'd like you guys to solve this one.